it's raining. So in Chinese, 烟雨中山下扬州啊，我在扬州那边有房子哦，这是南京，扬州和南京靠得很近哦。我忘了带伞了。这个时节，这个地方常常下雨啊。自古以来，这个就是江南最富有的地区。江苏南京、扬州、苏州、常州、无锡 ，the best place in China, since as long as China existed. It's beautiful even when it's raining. They usually call it, I don't know how to say that in English. 烟雨。I think only Dr. Ding understand what I'm saying in Chinese. That's beautiful. If I have opportunity, I bring you guys to see some beautiful place around here. I will go to Yangzhou and also some place in Nanjing. The place Sun Zhongshan, the tomb, the famous place. People will always go there to look around. If I have opportunity, I make some short video about it. If I go there, I really want Scott to look at this.